Hello and welcome to Small Farming. Hope you enjoyed our last video and hope you learned one or two things. And we're going into the dry season proper. If you look up at the atmosphere, you would find out that there is no single cloud cover. Today on Small Farming, let's show you how to make the most of the dry season. Let's go.
Okay, so let's tell you a little bit of things you need to know about the dry season. Okay, so the dry season is basically characterized by no rainfall. So for about 1 week now, it has not rained here, and the crops, the plants, the trees are being affected, and there's little or better still nothing you can do about that except artificial irrigation system. Now, the dry season is characterized by no rainfall. If you look up, no cloud cover. This is serious. No cloud cover. So this means that the sun is direct. This also means that the evaporation rate is more. This also means that the atmosphere needs more water, meaning that anything you put in the open air would dry very fast, meaning that water would be taken off as fast as possible. So these are basically basic things you need to know about the dry season, and you need to protect yourself because you might get dehydrated very very fast, and you might need to have yourself a pocket of water from time to time to stay hydrated. So let me share with you one of the most way to make the best out of the dry season. Well, I must say that the dry season started early this year, kind of subject to confirmation. If you think it didn't start, tell me why. Uh, one of the ways to make the most out of the dry season is that it can help you dry whatever crop very, very fast. And I've dried onions, I've dried pawpaw, I've dried bananas, and I've dried beans, dried a lot of things. And this is one way you can utilize the dry season here down in Nigeria, basically crop drying. And trust me, I will show you those things or those crops that have been able to dry over the years.
Thanks for watching. If our video was helpful and informative, please do well to use the subscribe button to get more videos.